Hey guys, this is KK here, just setting up the camera. We're gonna do this thing called the water challenge with bright flashlight. Let's get started.
Well, first off, with the water challenge is you drink as much water as you can without going to the bathroom.
You can get as many refills as you want.
Okay, you don't have to chug. So,
Well, we're not gonna make this be boring.
why didn't we just chug?
You see that straw? It's not gonna work. We're gonna take the straw out.
Oh, fantastic. That's
Yep. Well, guys, I'll meet you back when we're done with our first step. Okay? Oh, great. Hey guys, we're gonna vlog so flash. Horrible flashness. Well, we're done with that challenge. Sorry if my eyes are closed. We both have really
I'm perfectly fine. I don't know what
You can't really. You've been burping this whole time. You guys, he said he's got a big one coming. We may wait. You know when that one's coming?
No.
Is it coming soon? Okay. Well then, sorry guys, this was a really short video. But we wanted to try this challenge and we decided. Yeah, so whee! One more sip for the go. Bye guys.